Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this Hyundai i40. So from any screen, you can either go onto map if you just want to see where you're going and what lies ahead, or onto nav there. Address, we want city here, and we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantondale, Preston, PR. You've now got to go to numbers, which is 0 to 9 there, 5, and we're PR54, so click on there. We need the road, CHO, and it's defaulted to Chorley Road there. So we'll click Chorley Road, number 200. We've no number, so don't put that in. And then click start. Calculating the route and starting
route guidance.
That's it. That's how you do it.